Let's replace the front lower control arm on this 2012 Chevy Sonic. Let's start by sucking up the bolt on it using a PB Blaster or WD-40. This vehicle is pretty old and we want to ease them up when removing them. There you go. You're gonna use a 50mm socket on the nut and use a wrench, 50mm wrench on the other end to get the bolt off. Here it is. Now we're going to remove those push pins to remove on the driver's side wheel well, so you can remove this plastic shield there so you can get access to the bolt. There you go. We're going to remove the forward bolt. It is gonna use the 18mm socket, and you don't have to use that wrench in there because it is a welded nut on the other side. So you just have to remove that bolt right there, 18mm, and take it off. There you go. You don't need a wrench on the other side. So we're going to remove the back bolt. Use a 21mm. For that one, you're gonna use a 21mm wrench on top to hold the nut in place while removing the bolt. There you go. Easy. We're going to hit the lower control arm so you can break free from the knuckle. There you go. We just have to wiggle it a little bit, and we're gonna use this pry bar to remove the other side, pry it off the chassis. It will come off. Here is the new control arm. I'll include the link in the comment section below for the tools and the part used on this video. We're going to insert the new control arm in, and we're going to make sure that they line up to the chassis, and we're going to put the ball joint in the knuckle. Just pushing it by hand. We're gonna use the pry bar again to line it up to the chassis so you can put the bolt screw. Here it is. It's perfect. Good. Do the same thing back there. I'm gonna use the screwdriver like this to line up the hole. Let's tighten the bolt. Good. Do the same thing on the back. And do the ball joint bolt. Gonna use a wrench on the other side and one the bolt screw using my air gun, and everything is good there, girls. Now let's put the plastic shield back on. In the vehicle will need an alignment afterward. When I was done with this, the vehicle was pulling to the right a little bit, so you will need an alignment. If not, it's going to eat up your tires. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.